So, this is Miss Hartberger, and I'm going to make a little tutorial on how to organize your Google Drive. So, you're going to first go to drive.google.com, and a lot of us have all kinds of files everywhere. So, I've done this in class, but I'm going to make a little video for those people that are absent. Um, so, you'll see this is my Google Drive. So, see, it's really, really, really full of stuff. But you'll see I have folders for different things. So, I see I have some things that I need to condense. Okay. See how AR robotics, automation and robotics, I need to put those together, right? So let's scroll down to see, look what else I've got. I've got memes. Okay. I've got stuff from, but see, I have old stuff. So I need to make a folder for all old stuff and put it all together. But let's go down to the test student. I'm going to go down to sample student. Okay. I have a folder that I made for a sample. And so let's see how these are more your all's kind of assignments, right? So sample student. Okay, so I'm going to make a new folder. So over here, I click the plus and click folder. So I'm going to call this sample student 6th grade. Okay, and just give an example of some folders you might want to have. If you have a teacher that has you make folders for her class a particular way, that's awesome, right? So this would not replace that. But not every teacher's done that because every teacher's different. So as a CTE teacher, especially, I think it's important to be organized, right? So let's pretend this is your Google Drive as a 6th, 7th, or 8th grade student. This is a 6th grade example, obviously. And you have all kinds of files in here and you need to sort them. So what are some folders that you might want? So again, over here, I click new folder. So I need one for ELA. So if you don't have one already, make one. Then I would need one for math. Again, unless you should already have one, but if you don't, math. Sixth, science. Again, new folder. Sixth, social studies. And then you make them for your electives. So like if you have me, our 6th grade folder is 6th HB, that's me, DM for design and modeling. That way you have me later, you'll have HB and whatever the class is, and that way all your files will be together. And then you would have whatever your other elective is. Now, 6th grade has what? Unless you have band or orchestra, you have 4 electives. So I might have 6th NASCAR or 1080, whatever you want to call it. 6th art. And then I would have one more, right? Because I need 4 electives for 6th grade. And then I would be, all of you have health and PE. So this would be important because you'll have PE again. 6th, health, and PE. So whatever your electives are this year, if you haven't done this already, make a folder. Now, I can sort these by what I want them to be. So let's say I don't have health and PE anymore. So I could say, so the first thing I would do is I would go in and sort my files into these folders. Then I can sort them more into subjects. But let me say folder. Now I'm going to say 6th electives all. Because I don't want to look at that stuff anymore, right? So let's say I had NASCAR. I had health and PE last. So after I've put all my health and PE stuff in there, I can then move it into electives fall. Let's say I had NASCAR in the fall. I can put it in there. That way I'm only looking at what I need to look at. Okay. And then I can go and sort them more later, right? There's no right or wrong way to do this. Okay, so then you could rearrange them. Now I can come over here and go grid view. If you like them more like a box. Okay, I kind of like them like a box. And you can color code them like you do folders at school. So let's color code them. So we'll make English blue, math red. You can make whatever color you want. Just kind of helps you be visual and see things. If you saw when we were scrolling down through my huge inbox that of my drive, I have every kind of color. Okay. Make this one like a orange. Okay, it's not want to make a color, but probably because my video's in the way. So you can color code them. Now, in each class, like for ELA, you could do by unit. You could do each book that you all are doing. If your teacher doesn't already have a method, like in my class, ours would be general. So I could come in here. I've put all my folders, all my files in here. Then I come in here into my DM folder. I then can make folders for unit, right? So I could say my fling machine project, because you have lots of things for that, right? You could have, we're getting ready to learn about measuring. So you could put measuring, or you could say intro to class assignments. Okay. You could sort stuff by quarters, however it works for you. But the point is not to have a folder full of all kinds of documents. You all, I know, have sometimes 4 of the same document, and then you turn in the wrong one because you don't know which one is blank. So in my class, we make folders like this. Then we make sure we put our name on the ones that if we're actually writing on that document, we put our name in the title. That way, when you turn it into the teacher, if they print them out, they can find it. And 2, if I have 5 of the same document because I accidentally downloaded it from Canvas 5 times, the one that I worked on, I put my name on. So when I say, "Oh, man, wait," I can go find the one with my name on it and turn the right one in. Okay, so I hope this was helpful. Now, one little thing. Let's say I have become a 7th grade student. Okay, I now can do this. I can say folder, 6th grade, school. Okay, I now can put all of these inside it. Right? Now, if you're going to take lots of engineering classes, you could have all that in a folder because some assignments are similar. It's like if you take the same class again or you have the same teacher again, some of the intro to class stuff may be the same. But besides school, what other things are in your Google Drive? I know I have memes. So I'm going to make a meme folder, memes. Okay. And then inside that, I could sort them, right? And have funny memes, serious memes, Monday memes. Okay. Because I know we have meme wars in my class, and that way you'd be ready. Okay. I could say personal. So that just be like things I need for home. So that's where, like, if I personally, if I have a bill that comes to my CMS email and I download it, I can put it in personal because that's not for school. And that way it'll be easy for me to find. If you love anime, you could have an anime folder. I don't have any anime stuff on there, but I could just say, let's just make mine pictures or screenshots. And then once you have all your folders set up, you can get in the habit of trying to save things there. So in Google, when you open up a document, you can actually move it into the folder that it belongs into before you close it. So again, this is just a little tutorial. Okay, so now this is a 7th grade student. They have all their stuff in 6th grade, and they would then make their 7th grade folders. So I would say 7th ELA, and you could put the teacher's name, etc. And I would keep going from there. So I hope that was helpful. and just how do I make folders in my Google Drive? Now, you also can come over here while you're in your Google Drive and make a new document straight from here. Just as a little side note. But I hope that's helpful. Have a great day.